Hello and welcome back to It's Erin. First of all, I'd like to wish you all a Happy New Year. This is my first video of the year, and I thought, since I love going to India so much, that I would make murg makhani. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's also known as butter chicken. So today I'm going to show you in the Instant Pot how to make butter chicken. For those vegetarians out there, I'm going to also show you how you can use the sauce that I'm making to add it to your vegetables if you don't want to add the chicken. So I thought I'd challenge myself to make this because I haven't ever cooked Indian food. But you know, once I got the spices, and my New Year's resolution is to try to follow a recipe, so I thought I would give it a try. And I made it last night and it was to die for, so I had to share this with you guys. So it's very easy, this recipe. Once you get all of the spices, or once you get all the things you need in a recipe, that's the hardest part, and then you can make this wonderful thing and it's going to turn out great. So it's very easy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add everything right now. I'm going to add like a can of tomatoes. So this is 796 milliliters, one of those can of tomatoes. They're diced. So I'm going to add it to the Instant Pot. After that, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of garlic right here. Cut up garlic. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. Okay, add it in there. I'm going to add some, I just don't know which spices these are. I'm going to add some turmeric. Where's that? This one, turmeric. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Okay. And this is really easy. Once you get all these spices in here, we're gonna add the chicken, turn it on manual, cook for 10 minutes, and then it's so easy. I never would have thought it was this easy. After that, I'm going to add some, I should have actually marked these spices. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of paprika, okay? I'm going to add a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, okay? See, it's stuck in here. Okay, I'm going to add a teaspoon of garam masala, okay? And I'm actually going to add another teaspoon of garam masala after it's all cooked. Okay, what else? This is the cumin, 1 teaspoon of cumin, okay? And we're gonna add some salt. Let me just get it here. Oh my, thank you. Some salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, okay? And then I'm gonna leave 1 teaspoon of the garam masala for after. So what I'm gonna do right now, I cut up 2 chicken breasts, okay? I cut them all up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stir it, hold on. I'm gonna just give this a stir right here. Okay, it looks delicious. I'll show you that there. See? Oh, you can't see, it's okay. And then I'm going to add the chicken on top, okay? Just like that. Then I'm going to turn the lid on. Okay, I'm getting better at this. Look at that. There we go. Then I'm going to turn the Instant Pot on to the manual mode. Oopsie, no. The manual mode for 10 minutes. So once it builds the pressure, the timer will start counting down. I know a lot of you have said, hey Erin, my machine isn't pressurizing. Sometimes it's that little tiny knob that I'll take a photo of and show you in this video that doesn't come up. So you may just want to take a chopstick and raise it so that the machine does pressurize. If you do see that any steam is coming out any part of the Instant Pot, it could be the silicone ring inside of the Instant Pot lid, or it could be actually this little thing isn't coming up. So therefore those could be a few reasons why your Instant Pot isn't pressurizing. But anyways, we'll come back in about 10 minutes after this is cooked. For this video, we are going to do the natural release method. So after it has counted down the 10 minutes, we will do the natural release. That normally will take 15 minutes. So how about in 25 minutes, I will come back and open the lid and show you what we're gonna do next. Okay? Hello and welcome back. So we're all done. It smells absolutely delicious. If you love Indian food like me, you are going to be so impressed with this recipe. So what I'm going to do is I am going to remove all of the cooked chicken from the sauce, and then I'm going to get my hand blender and add these few ingredients in front of me, and then we're going to have a beautiful butter chicken sauce. So I'm just going to remove these and I'll be right back. Okay, so I removed all of the chicken, and now what I'm going to do is, after all, this is called butter chicken, so I'm going to add 4 tablespoons? Teaspoons, I always get confused. 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay, it is 4 tablespoons. And then I'm going to add a cup of whipping cream, okay? Because once again, we're not on a diet, so we like to have it nice and creamy. Okay, and then we're going to add another half a cup of coconut milk, okay, in here. And we're going to add the other, is it tablespoon or the other teaspoon of garam masala into here. Okay, and then with the hand blender, we are going to mix this all up. So basically, if you were doing the vegetarian version of this, you wouldn't have to remove the chicken. You just do everything like this, and then do it just like what I said. Okay, so now I'm going to blend it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I blended it all. It's beautiful. It's nice and smooth. I've prepared 2 dishes 2 ways. So I've got rice and some favorite vegetables that I just steamed in a pot. So I'm going to add the butter chicken sauce here. Okay, and then I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of cilantro, like this. It smells delicious. This one is the chicken with the rice and the vegetables on the side. I'm going to add this beautiful butter chicken sauce. It smells delicious. Now I'm going to get a fork and I'm going to try it. And it looks delicious. And you know, that's why I love the Instant Pot. You can always challenge yourself to what is it that you want to learn how to cook. Today I wanted to learn how to cook Indian food, butter chicken sauce. I love it. I did it. I impressed myself, and trust me, when you try it, you are going to love this. Okay, let's see. Just to die for. Just to die for. And with a glass of white wine that my friends brought back for me from Napa. Let's see. It's delicious. So I challenge you to make it. You are going to love it. And stay tuned. I am challenging myself to make cheesecake in one of the next coming episodes. So once again, thank you so much for watching. And enjoy. Just challenge yourself and go out and do it. Cheers. So namaste and sasrikal to all of my Indian friends, and thank you once again for watching, and you're just gonna love this. Cheers!